If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war.
In the last 24 hours, there have been 106,000.
And the casualties are mounting horrifically.
UPS facility have tested positive, died from coronavirus.
Worst day yet for
5 million. Every continent now.
The healthcare system is strained.
Social distancing.
Battle is currently brewing between the CDC and the federal government.
People don't wear masks, they can't get them. Latin America's most densely populated.
Rudy Gobert has tested positive for the coronavirus. NBA is suspending the season.
First reaction and thought when you learn that
National death toll approaches 100,000.
Is about people.
There are concerns for public safety, but the Montgomery ICU beds have run out.
A political prescription for his evangelical.
The first U.S. citizen has died from coronavirus in Wuhan, China. According to a U.S. Embassy spokesperson, the person was a 60-year-old U.S. citizen.
The Chinese whistleblower doctor who told the world about the coronavirus in Wuhan has died. Our David Culver is in Beijing with more.
Linda, this is devastating. My colleagues and I here in Beijing, we connected with him. In fact, you saw in that story that just ran, my producer Young, who's in the room here with me, he was the one who first made contact with him, and he wasn't talking to any foreign media at the time. Dr. Li Wenliang had become really well known here after, in late December, he was really inadvertently put out a message to some of his friends, his classmates from his medical school, telling them that something was going around that was similar to SARS.
The virus has now killed more people than SARS nearly 2 decades ago. It has also infected more than 37,000 people worldwide.
China has so far allocated over 80 billion yuan, the equivalent of more than $11.5 billion US dollars, for prevention and control efforts of the coronavirus spread.
The worldwide coronavirus outbreak has now killed more than 1,000 people.
The official death toll here now stands at 1,013. This includes 1 American.
We now have a name for the disease, and it is COVID-19, and I will spell it COVID-19. CO stands for coronas, you know. VI stands for virus, D for disease, so COVID.
The CDC shipped its first test kits to state labs in February, a month after the world learned of the outbreak in China. But some of those kits were flawed thanks to a contaminated reagent, leaving labs unable to get conclusive results.
A hospital director in the Chinese city of Wuhan has died from COVID-19. Chinese authorities announced that Dr. Liu Zhiming, the director of Wuhan's Wuchang Hospital, died Tuesday morning.